Hi, today I'm gonna teach you how to make these delicious tofu buds, and you can have them with anything you want, as dinner, as a side dish, as a gym snack. I'm gonna ask you to grab all your ingredients and set them aside. The main ingredients will be 450 grams of tofu that will be pressed and shredded. You're gonna need 80 grams of oats that you need to mince and turn into oat flour, or you can also just get oat flour. Then you will need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, salt and pepper, and 1 onion that needs to be shredded. Or if you have the patience, use a knife. I use my food processor at home. After pressing the tofu for half an hour, you're gonna combine all the ingredients. Make sure that it is this beautiful consistency, and then you just need to make the delicious buds. You need to cook them in the air fryer or fry them. I cook them in the air fryer because it was easier. 180 degrees for 20 minutes one side, and then I just flip it to the other side and cooked for another 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's make our sauce. The sauce consists on 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and then sugar, pepper, and garlic powder. Bring this to the stove. Make sure that everything is combined and thickened, and then you just add the finished tofu buds inside. Transfer to a container, and here you have it. Excellent meals on the go. This is so old school. I'm kind of proud of myself.